I'm learning English. I'm learning English. I'm tired. I'm tired. He is at home. He is at home. We will call you later. We will call you later. I like this song. I like this song. Do you understand me? Do you understand me? They were happy. They were happy. It's getting dark. It's getting dark. She doesn't eat meat. She doesn't eat meat. Let's meet tomorrow. Let's meet tomorrow. I forgot my keys. I forgot my keys. Please help me. Please help me. I forgot my keys. I forgot my keys. What time is it? What time is it? Can I try it on? Can I try it on? I was very busy yesterday. I was very busy yesterday. Don't be late. Don't be late. Are you ready? Are you ready? We've already finished. We've already finished. Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. I don't know. I don't know. It's cold outside. It's cold outside. She loves chocolate. She loves chocolate. Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please? I'm going to the store. I'm going to the store. We don't have time. We don't have time. He works every day. He works every day. I'm watching a movie. I'm watching a movie. They are playing in the yard. They are playing in the yard. It was a great day. It was a great day. Do you like coffee? Do you like coffee? I need to charge my phone. I need to charge my phone. We are late. We are late. Turn off the light. Turn off the light. I don't understand this word. I don't understand this word. Let's go for a walk. Let's go for a walk. He is reading a book. He is reading a book. I lost my wallet. I lost my wallet. Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something? The baby is sleeping. The baby is sleeping. This place is beautiful. This place is beautiful. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Don't worry. Don't worry. We live in Latvia. We live in Latvia. He is a good teacher. He is a good teacher. Can I sit here? Can I sit here? I need some water. I need some water. Do you hear that noise? Do you hear that noise? I'm learning something new. I'm learning something new. She has two brothers. She has two brothers. Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom? Let me think. Let me think. They don't speak English. They don't speak English. I saw her yesterday. I saw her yesterday. Please close the window. Please close the window. Is it far from here? Is it far from here? We are ready to go. We are ready to go. I made a mistake. I made a mistake. He is waiting for you. He is waiting for you. This book is interesting. This book is interesting. Do you want some tea? Do you want some tea? I'm afraid of spiders. I'm afraid of spiders. The weather is nice today. The weather is nice today. She didn't call me back. She didn't call me back. Can you repeat that? Can you repeat that? He is good at drawing. He is good at drawing. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. They are having lunch. They are having lunch. I usually get up at 7. I usually get up at 7. Don't touch that. Don't touch that. She sings very well. She sings very well. What's your name? What's your name? I'm looking for my phone. I'm looking for my phone. Is this seat taken? Is this seat taken? We are on holiday. We are on holiday. He always tells the truth. He always tells the truth. I don't like waiting. I don't like waiting. Where did you go? Where did you go? Be careful. Be careful. She looks tired. She looks tired. It's too expensive. It's too expensive. I'm waiting for the bus. I'm waiting for the bus. She went to the market. She went to the market. Can you speak slower? Can you speak slower? I forgot to lock the door. I forgot to lock the door. They live near the park. They live near the park. This shirt is too small. This shirt is too small. Don't forget your umbrella. Don't forget your umbrella. I'm learning to cook. I'm learning to cook. He doesn't like fish. He doesn't like fish. Let's take a photo. Let's take a photo. Where is my bag? Where is my bag? I need more time. I need more time. She is always late. She is always late. We had a great time. We had a great time. It looks delicious. It looks delicious. I'll call you back. I'll call you back. Do you have any pets? Do you have any pets? He travels a lot. He travels a lot. I'm not feeling well. I'm not feeling well. What are you doing? What are you doing? He drives to work. He drives to work. I didn't hear you. I didn't hear you. Let's stay at home. Let's stay at home. She has a nice smile. She has a nice smile. It's not my fault. It's not my fault. We are out of milk. We are out of milk. Can I borrow this? Can I borrow this? He's watching the news. He's watching the news. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Where are they going? Where are they going? Don't be shy. Don't be shy. It's time to go. It's time to go. She made a cake. She made a cake. I like your idea. I like your idea. Turn left at the corner. Turn left at the corner. He works from home. He works from home. Are you serious? Are you serious? I hope so. I hope so. That's a good question. That's a good question.